Well, Greens, Caroline, we got to get ready for this dive.
Yes, absolutely. And Bessie's gonna help. So, Bessie,
Oh,
are you ready?
I'm ready.
Chris? It's too hot.
It's too hot. Oh my goodness.
It's too hot.
Oh. And we're ready to go. Oh. So what we're going to do now, Caroline's going to... Oh! We're going to turn this around. Got the power steering going well. And so there we go. Oh no! She's catching, oh dear! She's catching me up. Oh, there's no help. Well, there we are at the gate. So Caroline's going to stop it now. Whoa! It's too hot! Brakes work! We've got the brakes working now. So we're going to open up the gate. Caroline's going to turn this around and off we go. Off we go! Oh, hey! So what we're doing now, we're just turning it around. Now we could reverse it, but what could be more fun than letting Caroline drive it out in the field with our cows. We got Daisy there, we got Doris, we got Doreen, we got Widget. I don't know where she's going to now, but she's turning it around. We're gonna go and get it ready. Daisy thinking, I can get out. So yeah, we're going to be forming on dive. What Caroline is driving is a Fordson Major tractor there. It's 61 years old. You're going to have to work it out. Daisy, no. Daisy wants to get out as well. So Caroline, stop a minute. Is it too hot?
Yes, it's too hot.
Oh no! Off you go then. So we're going to take this round the back. So we got a Fordson Major tractor and a Weeks trailer, and we got some cows trying to get in or trying to get out. So you bear with me a moment. I'll shut this gate. Doris and Doreen and Widget. So we're getting our tractor in position. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to get ready for our event tonight. And Caroline's bucket falling off.
You want to ride?
I want to ride.
Yeah, let's go.
Might be the last time you see me.
You're not scared, are you?
I'm petrified. So here we have our very beautiful lady tractor driver, looking very hot there, complaining as always, but drives it with ease. So you can see, now what we're going to do soon, my team is going to be painting this up. So we've got some Ford blue to paint it. We're going to have this wonderful tractor restored to a nice colour. Caroline is doing well, she's avoided hitting anything.
I'm paying attention to my car.
Yeah. The car is important, but maybe not me. So off she goes. The beautiful Caroline with her red hat. talking about how beautiful you look on that tractor. Look what's amazing, look at that. Hey,
Just like that.
sit over there. That's good. So pull it out of gear a moment. And there we have. We back at the Cane Hill Countryside Centre, ready for dive. And off she gets.
We are ready. How you get off a tractor?
Yes.
Like that.
Thank you. But look, what is more beautiful than that?
I don't know.
Get away.
Oh, Quish.
Oh my goodness, look at
You
that.
are in trouble, but I
Oh.
this time.
Wow, look at the body work. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, those injectors there. Oh my goodness. And look, we got our own little cobwebs there, handbrake. But look at the body work on Caroline as well.
Quish, we got to talk.
I'm in trouble. Okay, I'm gonna get the grease gun in a minute.